Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to discuss Onward Technologies Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss year on year results and quarter on quarter results consolidated. We will give more importance for year on year results. Here amount in lakhs. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year 56 crores, this year 69 crores. Here approximately 13 crores was increased. This is positive side. Later, other income. Other income was increased from 32 lakhs to 15 crores. So here we have refer note 7. We need to check note 7. This is note 7. The group has obtained a loan under a paycheck production program in the USA. Total amount of 14.9 crores of such loan including interest accrued thereon was disclosed as borrowing. In the current quarter ended, the group's application for forgiveness of such loan and the interest thereon is approved by the small business authorities on June 24, 2021. Due to this one, so here they added 14.9 crores as other income. We need to remember this point. Later, expenses. So here purchase of software licenses. Previous year, no software licenses. This year also, no purchase of software licenses. Later, employee benefit expense. Previous year 45 crores, this year 58 crores. Here 13 crores was increased. Here we have one note, that is note 11. We need to check this one. During the previous year, the holding company had reduced the salaries of their employees to manage the cash flows affected in the view of COVID-19 outbreak. To compensate such deductions under the view of performance of the current period, the group has made a provision of one-time incentive for the employees amounting to 2.85 crores. So due to this one, current employee expense was increased. We need to remember this point. Here employee benefit expenses increased from 45 crores to 58 crores. Later finance cost. It was reduced from 70 lakhs to 22 lakhs. So here 50 lakhs interest was reduced. That means they have minimal debt. This is positive point. Later depreciation. Previous year 2.8 crores. This year 2.4 crores. We'll ignore this one. Other expenses. Previous year 6.5 crores. This year 12.6 crores. Here 6 crores other expense was increased. So here we have refer note 8. We'll check note 8. The group had recognized the export incentives amount to 2.3 crores under the service exports from the India for services export till March 31st, 2020. In the view of uncertainty arising on account of delay in announcement by government about the specific details to claim such benefits, the group has recognized provision. We need to remember this point. What we understood based on revenue from operations and expenses. Here revenue from operations increased from 56 crores to 69 crores. Later other income increased from 32 lakhs to 15 crores. So we need to remember other income. Here other income is high. Later employee benefit expenses increased from 45 crores to 58 crores. Here we need to check note 11. Later finance cost reduced from 70 lakhs to 22 lakhs. This is positive point. Later other expense increased from 6.5 crores to 12.65 crores. We need to refer note 8. Next, profit before tax. Previous year 51 lakhs. This year 11 crores. Here approximately 10.5 crores profit before tax was increased. This positive side. We'll check it in percentage. So revenue was increased 24 percentage. Profit before tax increased 2044 percentage. This is very high. So here if we compare revenue and profit before tax, revenue is 24 percentage only, but profit before tax is 2044 percentage. Why means here Onward Technologies contains other income as 15 crores. Due to this one, profit before tax was increased. Later tax expense. Previous year 83 lakhs, this year 26 lakhs. Deferred tax, previous year 5 lakhs credited, this year 85 lakhs spent. Later net profit, previous year 39 lakhs, this year 9.8 crores. So why means here they have high other income. Due to that one, profit before tax and net profit increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here profit after tax increased 2434 percentage. Later here paid up equity share capital. Previous year 16.1 crore, this year 17.49 crores. Here 1.4 crores paid up equity increased. So we need to check reason for increasing paid up equity. So here they diluted equity. Later, earning per share basic previous year 0.24 rupees, this year 6 rupees 03 pies. So here earning per share was increased very high. This is positive sign. Now check quarter on quarter. Here revenue from operations increased from 66 crores to 69 crores. Here 3 crores increased. We'll check it in percentage. 4.9 percentage increased. Later, profit before tax increased from 2.9 crores to 11 crores. That is 274 crores. Later, net profit it was increased from 2.1 crores to 9.8 crores. That is 357 percentage. Here, due to high other income, profit before tax and net profit was increased. Now check valuation of Onward Technologies. Due to excellent results, Onward Technologies price was increased from 233 rupees to 245 rupees. Currently, it is upper circuit. Now check dividend. Here corporate actions. So in 2020, they gave 1.5 rupees as dividend. In 2021, they gave 3 rupees. Here, dividend was increased from 1.5 rupees to 3 rupees. That means 100 rupees dividend was increased. This is positive sign. PE before results is 51. PE after results is 22.5. We'll compare current PE with 3 years median PE. Here 3 years median PE is 15. Current PE is 22.5. In the current market conditions, Onward Technology is undervalued. So conclusion is excellent year on year and quarter on quarter results, minimal debt, undervalued based on current market conditions. We need to remember few more points, that is risk. This is small cap company. Market cap is 401 crores. Price increases from 60 rupees to 245 rupees in 1 year and 15 crores other income. We need to remember this phase at the time of investing in Onward Technologies. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.